Is your internet painfully slow on your Windows PC? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 quick and easy fixes to speed up your internet connection. Let's get started. First, check if any apps are hogging your bandwidth. Here's how to do it. Right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and click on Resource Monitor. Under the Network tab, see which apps are using the most bandwidth. Close unnecessary apps that are eating up your internet speed. Windows updates can secretly slow down your internet. Here's how to pause them temporarily. Go to Settings and Windows Update. Click Pause Updates for 7 days. While it's important to keep your system updated, pausing updates can be helpful when you need faster internet. Sometimes tweaking your network settings can make a big difference. Let's enable QoS Packet Scheduler. Right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon and select Network and Internet Settings. Go to Advanced Network Settings, click on your active network, select More adapter options, and enable QoS Packet Scheduler. This helps prioritize important internet traffic for faster browsing and downloads. Next, let's clear your DNS cache. This can fix slow internet caused by outdated DNS records. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This refreshes your DNS and can speed up your browsing experience. Finally, make sure your network drivers are up to date. Here's how. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your adapter and choose Update Driver. Updated drivers can improve internet stability and speed. Try these fixes, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your internet speed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Got any other tricks to speed up the internet? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.